Welcome to UNjobs International, a YouTube channel dedicated to providing the latest job openings in the United Nations. Our team carefully selects and reviews the best UN jobs to recommend to our viewers, helping you find opportunities to make a positive impact on the world. Currently, we are excited to share a new job opening for a nutrition specialist at the P-4 level in Nairobi, Kenya. This is a fixed-term appointment, and the successful candidate will be responsible for providing technical leadership and support to the nutrition program in Kenya. The nutrition specialist will work closely with government counterparts and other partners to ensure that UNICEF's nutrition programs are aligned with national priorities and contribute to the achievement of the Sustainable Development Goals. Malnutrition remains a significant problem in Kenya, with high rates from 2020 to 2022. More than one-third of all children under 5 are affected, and poverty, lack of access to healthcare and nutritious food, poor water and sanitation, and inadequate maternal and child care are the primary causes. In 2020, 2.4 million children under 5 were affected by acute malnutrition, and the situation has not improved much in 2021 and 2022. The Kenyan government's efforts to address malnutrition have been showing progress but need more support from NGOs, international aid agencies, and UN agencies to tackle the malnutrition issue through various initiatives. The COVID-19 pandemic has further worsened the situation by disrupting food supply chains and access to healthcare services. Addressing the root causes of malnutrition and providing access to nutritious food, healthcare, and sanitation are crucial to ensuring the healthy development of Kenya's next generation. The Kenyan government has implemented the National Food and Nutrition Security Policy and Strategy to address the issue of malnutrition in the country. The policy aims to increase access to nutritious food and improve healthcare and sanitation. It includes various interventions such as the promotion of exclusive breastfeeding, provision of vitamin A supplements, and micronutrient fortification of food. The strategy also focuses on strengthening the capacity of health workers to identify and manage cases of malnutrition and improve the overall nutritional status of children and pregnant women. Now I would like to discuss about the role and duties for this position. The selected candidate will manage and provide advisory support to the regional advisor, ensuring results for nutrition in emergencies, NIE, and wasting are achieved as per performance standards. She or he will provide technical assistance to colleagues on NIE and wasting programming and implementation, and develop regional and country situation analyses on wasting and nutrition in emergencies. The candidate will collaborate with partners to establish monitoring benchmarks, indicators, and measurements, and provide quality assurance and review of annual reports and results related to NIE and wasting. The candidate will promote innovative approaches and good practices for sustainable and high-coverage wasting programs and effective NIE responses, and organize capacity-building initiatives to enhance competencies of stakeholders. Let me tell you what are the key competencies required for this position. The nutrition specialist, P-4 position requires certain competencies aligned with the organization's mission, including partnership building, self-awareness, result-driven mindset, innovation, strategic thinking, collaboration, and ability to manage ambiguity. During recruitment, the competency framework is used to assess candidates. UNICEF promotes diversity, inclusion, and offers benefits such as flexible working arrangements, parental leave, and disability accommodations. The organization has a zero-tolerance policy on sexual exploitation, harassment, discrimination, and abuse of authority. All candidates will undergo thorough reference and background checks and adhere to UNICEF standards and principles. Now I would like to explain the educational qualification required for this position. To be considered for the role of nutrition specialist, P-4, the candidate must hold an advanced university degree in social policy, social development, community development, public health, or nutrition, preferably with specialized training in public health and nutrition planning, health and nutrition education, healthcare system management, or epidemiology, child development, or other relevant disciplines. She or he should have a minimum of 8 years of professional work experience in planning, programming, implementing, monitoring, and evaluating nutrition programs at national and international levels. The ideal candidate should have experience working in developing countries and should be familiar with nutrition in emergencies and wasting prevention and treatment programs. Fluency in English is a must-have, and knowledge of another official UN language is an added advantage. The application deadline for the position has been set for April 30, 2023 in accordance with the East Africa Standard Time. It means that all interested candidates must submit their applications on or before this date, keeping in mind the time zone of East Africa. Any application received after the deadline will not be considered, and the selection process will move forward with the applicants who have submitted their applications before the deadline. Therefore, it is crucial for potential candidates to keep track of the deadline and ensure that they have submitted a complete application package on time. Thank you for your time. If you found it informative and engaging, please consider subscribing to our channel, giving it a thumbs up, and sharing it with your friends and colleagues. Your support helps us create more content that informs and educates our viewers. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. For more information and online application, kindly visit the UNICEF website by clicking the web link for this position in the description section below.